Hello and welcome. We are Cassandra, Darius, and Katie from the National Grid team. Today we will be presenting the key takeaways from our project. From National Grid's 2018-2019 SDG brochure, they focus their operations entirely around the quadruple bottom line: people, planet, profit, and purpose.
For our project, we focused on National Grid's Dewey Kensington buildings located in Buffalo, New York. Our team used billing data, fleet registers, and past reports to calculate the footprint for the campus from January 2019 to December 2020. Our calculations focused on scopes 1 through 3, which represent on-site emissions, off-site electricity emissions, and waste-generated emissions. Each of these scopes were broken into subsections as shown on the graph. The total emissions for 2019 to 2020 is 15,810 tons of carbon equivalent emissions. As requested by National Grid, we calculated the cost of these emissions using the social cost of carbon set at $51 per metric ton by the federal government. The cost totals about $806,000 for the express parameters.
After reviewing the calculations we compiled for National Grid's carbon emissions, our team has come up with a climate action plan for the Dewey Kensington site to focus on. It was deemed that transportation fuel emissions and office building lighting were the largest producers of GHGs and accounted for 88% of all emissions. The fleet uses several different fuels to power the vehicles and equipment. However, switching to electric vehicles will create 100% reduction in CO2 emissions and save over $161,000 a year. When looking at the building infrastructure, lighting was the largest contributor to GHG emissions. These few simple changes you can see on the screen can be implemented with minimal cost and effort and will help reduce emissions by 40% and save over $91,000. We just want to say thank you to National Grid for providing us with the support to complete this project. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us with the information listed.